Hi guys, it's Miss Carly here. Today we're going to read the book Don't Push the Button. But before that, we're going to do a quick exercise to get all of our sillies out. Touch your head, touch your shoulders, clap 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go. Okay, I think we're ready. All right, don't push the button. This is a really fun book. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Don't push that button, Larry said. Seriously, don't think about it. You guys aren't thinking about it, are you? It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we push it. Should we push it? I don't know. No, we can't. We mustn't. Should we? Psst. No one is looking. You should give it the button just one little push. All right, let's push it. Boop. See what happens. Now I'm yellow. Oh no, Larry turned yellow. Let's push it again. Boop. Eee! Now I'm yellow with polka dots. Push it twice. Boop, boop. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push the button a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Look how many Larrys there is. So many. Shake the book to get rid of all of the extra Larrys. All right, let's give it a shake. Shake, 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 shake. See what happens. Almost. A little more. Just a little more shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, here we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him to go back to normal. Let's give Larry a little scratch. Scratch, 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 scratch. There's Larry. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's now push the button again. That was kind of weird, right? But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. I don't know, guys. Should we do it? The end. Don't push the button. You guys have a nice day.